I think to start with, we see this as a clearly a part of our business strategy. It's a competitive advantage if we are early movers in this space. It also helps in building business resilience. We are a brand which has been around for 80 years, and we need to do everything to secure the existence for another 80 years and much more. And this is a necessity. It's not only something which is a good to do, it's a necessity for businesses to transform. So that's for us the starting point. And then for us, we've sort of, through the innovative spirit and of our co-workers around the world across the value chain, we've seen a lot of innovative ideas in terms of how we can address costs. For example, electricity, which I spoke earlier about, bundling electricity across all suppliers to lower costs. That's one way of how you could look at mitigating cost in the short run, but also complementing that with energy efficiency to also save money, which can be reinvested into renewable energy. And also on materials, to question status quo. Why do we need to use this material? Can we use less of this material without compromising on every quality, safety, everything else being same? Can we reimagine the amount of material that goes in? And also taking a longer term view. In some materials like green steel or bio-based glue, it follows a total lifetime cost. It's more expensive in the initial stages, but then when we ramp up, we also see there's a potential for it to go down over a period of time. So we need to very much tackle this on a portfolio level. Some here and now savings, some where we need to take a longer term approach. But it's absolute necessity for business durability, business resilience, and a competitive advantage. How we see this.